everyone i dobrodošli na moj kanal. Serbian, a little bit of Serbian. What's up everyone, it's Kacha here and today we're going subtle, soft and neutral. As much as I can go, because going neutral for me it's kind of hard. It's against my DNA. I like bold and wild, but sometimes we have to do something soft and calm down a bit, right? We're starting with this beautiful desk that is in pretty rough shape, but that is okay. Really, this desk is in rough shape from the outside, but the bones are good, it's sturdy, it's solid wood, it's heavy, so we definitely have to save it. This is a saver. You don't throw this away, ever. Like, what's wrong with people? I wanted to bring out some of the wood on the top, so I was planning on sanding it anyway. Then it was time to remove the hardware and give it a good cleaning. A good cleaning is all you need for any Sloan chalk paint, because no paint can get stuck to dust, dirt, oil, I don't know. It's probably the most important step, and I said this like a million times. Come on, I can't repeat myself anymore. Shall I keep going and repeat every time? Now for my color, there is a little story behind it. I was trying to mix a perfect terracotta color, and this is something I've been trying to do for a year now. But this is the closest that I ever got to terracotta color, so I'm just going to show you how I got it, because this is the best I have to offer you. I'll come back one day with that perfect terracotta color, you will see. I used Sloan, Honfleur, Barcelona orange and Scandinavian pink. It was roughly 1 cup of orange, a little less than a cup of pink, and brown I added little by little, filling it out. I just played with the tone until I liked it, but getting a perfect terracotta color is much tougher than I thought. So it's okay. Life is still good. Then it was time to paint. The color is still beautiful, gorgeous, and it's just one-of-a-kind colors. So I love it anyway. I thought it was very romantic and calming. Every time I look at this color, it calms me down, and sometimes that's what I need, because I like to I wanted a nice and modern finish, so for that I use Sloan flat brush. If I want a modern finish on my pieces, I use a flat brush. If I want that character and authentic chalk paint look, I use a bristle round brush and I paint in every which direction. So just little tips from me. I used 2 coats and got a solid coverage with this color. It was really pretty. While my paint is drying, I waste no time, so I grab my hardware and I gild it with a gold gilding wax from Redesign with Prima with the shade Eternal. By the time I'm done with my piece, my gold wax can harden on the hardware, so it won't come off when I touch it, because it takes about 24 hours to really cure. This is a perfect way to add that gorgeous vintage, one-of-a-kind hardware that they don't make anymore. And instead of throwing it away, I always try to save it and keep it on the furniture because it's just such a good quality. Now for a touch of class, we're using golden damask. I wanted to add this to the sides and front drawers, so I will need to cut it to size. Then I made a huge mistake, but this is a perfect opportunity to show you how to fix your pieces when you mess up your transfers, because I always say, don't mess it up. It's a lot of work to fix it, but here I am, mess it up, using my own transfer. Imagine that. This one is off center too. Look, where's the middle? It's supposed to be here and I put it here. So I don't know what am I doing, but I need to go have some cup of coffee, ground myself back together and send this off, repaint it and come back fresh. What a lovely day. There is no way of going back, so the only way to fix this is to sand it, paint it again, let it dry, and then apply transfer again. So it's a whole process. So that's why I say, be careful when you apply your transfers. Make sure you really want them there, or measure, pay attention. Look, I again setting up on the line. Look what I'm doing, look. I'm again setting it up down, look at that. So it's not the end of the world to ruin a transfer, but it's a lot of work to fix it. And also, if you're doing a big transfer, it can be quite expensive because you don't want to put a big transfer to find out that you made a huge mistake and you have to send that all off because you're sending off your money. So pay attention. Now we're back on track and it's time for protection. I'm using Sloan clear wax. Once I was done with the clear wax, I wanted to make that raw wood top a little more toned down. So for that, I'm going to use Sloan dark wax. This dark wax is going to act like some nice stain, but we are not using any stains because I really, if you haven't noticed, I really try to stay away from stains because they smell and then they dry forever. I don't know. This dark wax created such a beautiful look on this desktop and I really love. I definitely think this is the way to go if you want for your raw wood to give it a little nice and brown tones. I also added a little bit around the corners and details of my piece and I just love doing that. I don't know what is with me, but it makes me feel so good when I'm aging a piece of furniture. I don't know, I just like to do that. It's just so enjoyable. It's just like, I just sit there and I enjoy and have fun and it just feels so good. I don't know why, but I do love it. And it was time to put the hardware back on and see it all together. Never mind, I decided to add some more gold to the details because you know, it won't be me if I was just not throwing gold on everything in my life. I'm gonna throw some gold on me. Contain yourself, Kacha. There is no need for more gold, you know? Just calm down. This piece is all about subtle look and calmness, and that's what we want. We don't want gold to take over the power on this piece and make it like, wow. I love everything about this piece. I think it's so subtle and neutral, and it's just gorgeous and soft and sophisticated, and it's inviting. It's inviting, and I definitely think it will fit in any room. Like, you know, it won't clash with other colors or other designs. So I think it's gorgeous. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with a new project and more ideas. Bye, guys.